Here are my thoughts on the Tide Pods 3-in-1. And so there's the bag, and then this is what one of the Tide Pods would look like. It has detergent in there, stain remover, and I think like a color brightener for your clothes. So when I do our laundry, I like to use the Tide Pods. I think they just make life much easier. You don't have to deal with the cup and measuring and the spills and stuff like that. It's just in this easy pod here. And so what I do is for just like a normal load, you could probably just do one and you put it first, you put it at the bottom. So you put it in first and then you put your clothes on top. For a bigger load, I usually do two. One thing I like about these bags is I think they're kid proof, because if you see, to open it, if you just do this, it still won't open. Unless you push down and then it'll open up. So if any of your young kids are doing with it or playing with it, it's gonna be hard for them to open. So I think that's one good kind of precaution that Tide put in place there. Even though it's in a pod form with plastic, after I do my laundry, I've never seen any of the residue of this plastic or whatever it is. So I have different laundry detergents in our house, but I choose the Tide Pods more often because it's just really easy to use. You just take one or two, you put it in your washing machine, and then you're done. Also, if I know that some of our clothes have more stains, I feel like Tide does a good job as a trusted brand to get those out. And so I would use this over a cheaper brand.